how to change your Instagram password on your computer. Let's get started, everyone. For that, you're going to click on these three little bars. Now, you're going to click here on the settings option. You'll come to this page here. And on this page, you'll click on Account Center and you'll be redirected. Notice that here, in this menu, the password and security option already appears. You click on this option and that's it. Here in the login section, you'll see the first option, Change Password. Click on that, then choose the profile you want to change. In this case, I want to change the password for this Instagram account. So I click on it and that's it. Now, you just need to enter your current password. Below, you'll enter your new password. And here you repeat the new password, okay? Remember that here you also have the option to disconnect from other devices where your account is logged in. So I'm going to enter my current password and my new password. I'm going to uncheck this option. I don't want to disconnect from other devices, so I'll uncheck it and click here to change my Facebook password on the computer, okay? Done. As you can see here, you've just changed your password. It's simple and quick. I hope this helped. If I helped you, don't forget, help me to subscribe to the channel.